Sea Pool is a remarkable all-natural product suitable for pools and spas. Maintenance-free pools, freedom from pool slavery, cost savings, no chlorine smell, perfect water warranty. Hear why people love clean plus clear minerals. Maintenance-free pools. It's the modern, chemical-free way to keep water clean and clear. Just broadcast the Sea Pool mineral powder onto the water surface and walk away, 60 seconds per week. Freedom from pool slavery. Swimming pools are a responsibility, somewhat like pets, that need care while the owner is away. Not with clean and clear mineral treatment. Owners can go on vacation for a week or even 2 weeks and come home to a sparkling clean and clear pool without bothering family and friends to maintain it. Cost savings. Clean and clear minerals replaces costly chemicals that adjust pH up or down, chlorination, alkalinity, clarity, algae, and water hardness. Chlorine is reduced 50%. No chlorine smell. Chlorine odor is eliminated because chlorine use is cut in half. Chlorine sanitizes the water, and Sea Pool and Spa kills and prevents algae, and that frees up what chlorine used to do. Perfect water warranty. Only Sea Pool and Spa dares to offer a written full-service warranty that guarantees no more cloudy or green water. Here is how it works. With the scoops applied, broadcast the powdered minerals widely onto the water surface. The natural minerals begin to dissolve and mix with the water. Algae forms in clusters and feeds off sunlight for photosynthesis. Sea Pool penetrates the membrane of the algae cluster and kills the plant. Dead algae collects together and gets sucked into the skimmer to be filtered or falls to the bottom where it is easily vacuumed. This allows the water to clear. A remarkable feature of clean and clear minerals is that it stops new algae growth, and that helps reduce the need for chemicals. Count on clean and clear minerals to keep your pool clear all season. Please visit us at sea-poolandspa.com.